What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to rename a fingerprint profile in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, click on biometrics and then click on fingerprints. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then tap on the fingerprint that you want to rename. Now when you will tap on the fingerprint name, it will take you to this screen. Now click on this backspace key to remove the previous name and then enter your new name. After entering the name, tap on save and then the fingerprint profile name will be changed. So that's how you can change a fingerprint profile in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.